Hi, my name is Ravinder, and in this video I will give you all tips and tricks for lighting your living room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom with smart lamps from Hue. With Hue, you easily create the ideal atmosphere for every occasion. From cozy movie nights and romantic date nights, to lively parties, Hue lamps come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. For example, there are fixtures you can hang from your ceiling and portable lamps like this one portable table lamp. But you can also choose smart Hue LED bulbs or your spots. You only need to screw them into the socket of your lamp. Then you can connect them directly with the Hue app. It's that easy. Some smart lamps you can not only dim or brighten, but also change color or tint. It's not just the type of lamp that sets the mood, but also the color that it creates. To determine what best suits your interior, it is good to look at the existing colors of your home. Warm white lighting pairs beautifully with cozy color palettes like earth tones, while neutral or cool white light perfectly complements cooler colors in modern interiors. With the White Ambiance collection, you can set up to 50,000 different shades of white light, from cool and bright to warm and cozy. And do you want to experiment with different colors? Then choose a smart lamp from the color family White and Color Ambience. You can then choose from 16 million different colors and 50.0 shades of white, so there is surely something that suits you. There are also lamps that can shine multiple colors of light simultaneously, namely gradient lighting. With gradient lamps, you can paint your walls with colors that seamlessly blend into one another. For example, the Hue Sign floor lamp. This way, you can let radiant mixed colors shine everywhere in your home. Do you want to know more about the different color families and how to use color to create atmosphere? Be sure to watch this video. I explain everything in detail there. To choose the ideal lamps for your living room, there are 3 things to consider. The shape of the room, how the light falls, how you use the space, and of course your personal style and taste. Is your living room, for example, on the smaller side? Then choose bright lamps with high power, because well-lit rooms immediately feel much larger. And does it get only a little natural light? Then go for lighting that mimics natural daylight, from a bright morning light to a warm sunset. Secondly, think about how you use your lamps. If you occasionally work in your living room, you want bright lighting to read and write comfortably. If you mainly use your living room to relax, for example, to watch movies or play games, look at the different ambiance lamps from Philips Hue. You can also synchronize your smart lighting with your TV or your music to bring your entertainment to life like never before. You do this with the Hue Sync box. Your lights instantly react to what's happening on your screen or from your speakers. So your music and movies come to life in the light around you. And thirdly, you naturally want the lamps to match your home's interior. It's important to remember, it's not just one lamp that creates an atmosphere in a room, but the combination of lamps. There are 3 types of lighting that help your living room truly shine: ambient lighting, accent lighting and task lighting. Ambient lighting is the base and can be arranged via ceiling lamps, pendant lamps or built-in lighting. These provide plenty light and an inviting atmosphere. Also, consider wall lamps, floor lamps or table lamps. Accent lighting highlights special objects such as a beautiful photo frame in your cabinet or a poster on the wall. You quite literally put them in the spotlight using wall lamps or rail lighting. You can mount multiple lamps on a long rail, which can be installed horizontally or vertically on your ceiling or wall. The advantage of rail lighting is that you can move each individual lamp freely along the rail and easily adjust it. This makes your lighting setup very flexible and easy to adjust. And finally, there is task lighting. This is a bright light that helps you focus on your work. You can use spotlights, floor lamps, table lamps, or lamps with an adjustable arm. By combining these 3 types of lighting, you can create a personal environment that gives your room depth and matches the atmosphere you envision. Make things easier and cozier in the kitchen with smart lighting. What usually works best in the kitchen is bright and neutral white light. It helps you see clearly what you're doing. For example, reading recipes, keeping an eye on your pans, and working with knives. For kitchen islands, pendant lamps are often used as an example, which are functional and decorative. Or use nice LED light strips along the edges of your kitchen cabinets. Rail lighting is also very popular in the kitchen because with adjustable spotlights, pendant lamps, or light bars, you can illuminate different parts of your countertop and kitchen surface. This way, you can always clearly see what you're doing. When it's time to serve, you can switch your smart lamps to soft, warm, and cozy tones with just one press of a button. With Hue in your bedroom, you always have the perfect lighting for every moment of the day. Choose soft blue to wind down for calm, white light to wake up gently, or warm red tones to create a romantic atmosphere. You can also set your bedroom lighting to align with your natural rhythm and sleep pattern. For example, you could set your lights to gradually brighten 10 minutes before your alarm goes off. This way, you wake up every workday to the light of a sunrise. What often works well in the bedroom are lamps with shades that spread the light well. This way you create a soft atmosphere with a beautiful light and shadow effect on your walls and ceiling. For night owls who like to read in bed, night lamps like the Hue Twilight are ideal. Or choose a smart light strip behind the headboard or under your bed. With it, you create personalized mood lighting in any color you want. With Hue's special moisture-resistant bathroom lamps, you can turn your bathroom into your own personal spa.
This way, you can calmly wake up in the morning and relax wonderfully in the evening.
Or set a timer for showering, so that your lighting automatically changes to red after 5 minutes. That is better. What the best light is for your bathroom depends on the time of the day and your specific wishes and daily routines. In general, a bright, cool white light is best for the morning because it mimics natural daylight. That gives you the energy you need, so you can start the day feeling great and ready with the right light. And in the evening, you can relax nicely with warm, soft lights. This helps calmly prepare yourself for a good night's sleep. And also think of a mirror with lighting or one of the special lamps that you hang next to your mirror. The best spot is eye level. You distribute light evenly and can avoid shadows. And that is ideal for things like applying makeup or shaving in the mornings. And that was it. All the tips and tricks for lighting your living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom with Hue's smart lighting. Did you find it interesting? Then be sure to check out the other videos on our channel because you'll find lots more information about smart lamps and other devices. Goodbye!